Hey everyone, this is Tim from Your Six Tech. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to make your Steam account private so other people can't see it. So I don't know if you're a popular streamer or really famous. Well, you want to go up to the top right and go to your Steam profile right here and click it. Go to privacy settings. And then we should be able to change it under here. So we got my basic details public. So that's what it is. So my profile, we just want to come to this section. Then we go to friends only or private. So by default, I think it is public. So we can go to friends only. Your community profile includes your profile summary, friends list, badges, Steam level, showcase, comments, and group membership. So if you set it to friends only, I believe these other ones will be friends only. So actually, nope. You're going to have to change everything individually. So your friends list. Oh, here it is. Let's go up to here and go to private. Yep, that will change everything else to private as well. Otherwise, you can go by each individual category, like my game details. Maybe I want my friends to have access to that. So we can just go to friends only or private up here. And then we can change it to private or friends only. Go to public. I think public will show up as an option now. So you just have to go to these three categories: your game details, if you want your friends to see your games, your friends list, and your inventory. And then can post on my profile. So you can see if we go to private, you won't have the other two options. So just come to this section and you should be good to go. Hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below for more tech videos coming up next on Your 6 Tech.